student, myself Gautam Pule, Government ITI Malkanagiri. Today I saw these are the hydraulic systems. Hydraulic systems means the systems, the branch of engineer which deals with the study of flow of fluid power. That means hydraulic systems. Mainly there are two parts. One is your motor and other one is the hydraulic platforms. Motor, these are the tanks, oil tank. It contains oils, and these are the oil showing gauge. How much oils are inside the tank? This gauge is shows. And here are the motor which operate to passes the pressure oil towards the hydraulic platforms. Here are the two hose pipes were connected here. One is in through this one is the hose pipe which applied the pressure fluid is flows towards the hydraulic platform, and other one is the after using the return of the fluids are through these hose pipes to the again in the tank. It is a cyclic process. In one hose pipe is the fluid is flows towards the platform, and the other through the other hose pipes the after use of the fluid power the returns to again in the motor. This is the platform. This one is the showing, it is the pressure showing how much pressure the fluid is flow through the hydraulic platforms. When we on the motor, then the fluid is pressurely flows towards this platform. Let's start the motor. It started. Then the fluid is flows toward here. Here is on the lever. When we on the lever, then that's why then the fluid is passes to the single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder. Here is the same process as the pneumatic systems. 24 volt DC and ground also. Here the 24 DC and ground also. 124 DC is connected to solenoid valve 1 and ground is also connected to ground. This was the bolt and the black source is the ground. When we connect through this wire to 24 volt into solenoid valve 1 and the ground also move on, then the ceiling acting functions. And again the 24 volt and ground is connected to solenoid valve 2, then it double acting cylinder functions. Let how the function is, these are the also buzzers and the toggle switches and the value indicators. Visual indicators used when they are functioning in the output sections. Let's see how the single acting cylinder functions. Then first we have to connect through the wires. One is the 24 volt DC to solenoid 1 DC. Then one is ground is connected to solenoid ground 1. Completed. When we on the lever, then the single acting cylinder is functions. This one is functions. When we automatically put out the grounds, the inside or lever is open, there is an insert. Both are the happens. This is overhead single acting cylinders. Let's see the double acting cylinders. These are same functions. When the 24 DC is connected to solenoid 2s and the ground is also connected to grounds, then it will functions. Ground is connected to ground, and let's see how the single acting cylinder functions. When the 20 fluid power is applied, then the fluid power pressures, the shaft is open, means the propellant hand is operated, jaw is operated. That's why same like as application of a hydraulic system means this pressure is applied through the motor towards the cylinders. When the pressure oil flows towards the cylinder by helping of the lever, when the cylinder is functioning, means it is applied the pressure by helping of the fluid pressure, then other outlets are functioning. Like this, JCB's jaws are operated, or the box doors are operated, and also the threads or power transmission all are happened by these cylinders operated. These are the pressure of the fluid power operations or uses in the industrial applications.